crack the code on what John and Jesus meant by the name and number of the Antichrist. In John 5:43, Jesus pointed to the Antichrist by saying, if someone comes in his own name, him you will receive. Now look at this scrolling list. This is a list of all buildings and things that are named after Donald Trump. They are not owned by him. Only the ones in bold are actually his. The rest are all licensing deals to promote himself, to come in his own name. Look at how Trump usually portrayed himself in any movie he was in. Side note, he received some Raspberry Awards for worst performances. And also you notice that he promotes himself with a capital T, in great contrast to the humble lowercase t of the cross. And as long as we are talking about names, let's look at what the name Donald means. Side note, in Revelation 9:11, there is the king of the bottomless pit, named Abaddon in Hebrew and Apollo in Greek. Now, if we take a look inside of Trump's penthouse in New York, we see that Trump has a picture, a painting of Apollo the sun god over his fireplace. And if we take a closer look at Apollo in this painting, we see that Trump is trying to fashion himself to look like Apollo the sun god, and that's why his face is orange. See it? But Trump has been changing from using his own name to using a number because his name has become so tarnished. So Trump uses number 45 as his new brand, fulfilling the first part of Revelation 13:18, prophetically pointing to the Antichrist. It is the number of a man. The second part is fulfilled by the gematria of Jared Kushner's last name, a Hebrew name. For the record, gematria is not numerology that is based on chance and superstition. It is based on the amazing patterns of the Hebrew language and the Word of God. So if we add up all of the values for every letter in Kushner's last name, we see that they all add up to 666. Prophecies fulfilled.